Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I want to show you how I made these horseshoe link earrings incorporating some copper washers. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're gonna have some more fun with washers today. I'm gonna choose this size. They're 10mm washers with 6mm diameter holes. I'm gonna grab 4 here. I'm gonna go ahead and make 4 horseshoe links for these earrings. Feel free to make more if you want. But for this video, I'm gonna make my earrings with 2 links. I think I want to texture my washers a bit. This step is obviously optional. I'm just gonna do the one side since their earrings are just gonna be facing out. All right, those guys are textured. I'm gonna put those aside. Next, I'm gonna make my links. I picked some 16 gauge round copper wire. I'm gonna cut 4 pieces, about 2 1/4 inches each, and I'm gonna flush cut all of them. Make sure they're all about the same length. I got my 4 2 1/4 inch pieces. All right, I grabbed a wooden dowel. It's about 10mm, and I'm gonna make my horseshoe bend in the center of all my, just about the center. Mine was off center, so I'm gonna pull up on this one side, kind of even them out. Do that to all 4. Last one. Make sure they're all even. Next, I want to hammer these out. I want to flatten this curve here and give it some texture. Good. All right, let's go ahead and make our loops. And I need some round nose pliers. You're gonna have to make your loops pretty big to fit around these washers. So depending on how big your round nose pliers are, you just kind of have to figure that out. What spot on your pliers and make a nice big loop. I'm gonna try about 1/3 of the way down on mine. You can always go back and adjust it as needed. But you know what, I bent them the wrong way, so don't have to bend them back. I'm gonna texture this side. I guess my other one I'll texture both sides just to be consistent. Since these will hang the lowest, You can probably see them from the back as well. Okay, so this next set of loops you gotta make extra big because it has to go through both of those washers. Put the upper link on first. And then put your bottom one on over the top. So that's how they turned out. Let's see, I just do have to do some minor adjusting to make them match better. All you need is a pair of ear wires. You can use whatever you have available. You can make your own. I'm just gonna grab these real quick. All right, there they are. So I just threw mine on a simple pair of ear wires. I wanted to incorporate the copper washers. Now, if those are too thick, you can definitely use jump rings. That's it for me, guys. Hope you liked this video. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.